Hello friends, welcome to another episode of Stock Market Daily Update. I'm Aditya from Mostly Bearish. Today on my Telegram channel, I spoke about Dr. Reddy, Cipla and Saxoft. So if you want live updates from my side, make sure you join the Telegram channel. The link is given in the description below. Let's take a look at the charts. What were the different types of trades taken and why? So what you see on your screen right now is Dr. Reddy. In pre-market itself, I had updated the prices are gapped up and I expect some kind of profit booking. So when the prices opened here, I did expect somewhere around 4,980 and 70 levels to reach. But the lowest, if you see for this candle itself, in the first 2 minutes itself, it went to somewhere around 4,950.25. There were no trades taken on this, mainly because it was extremely fast, the movement. But when the day high was created, I had put an order above this high where I had entered at this candle here. My exits were pretty early, somewhere around these levels. I had booked my profit as well. Somewhere around here, I had booked my profit as well. So once I had exited, there was a huge move in Dr. Reddy, which I completely missed out on. But when I saw that this stock is range bound somewhere around these levels here, I knew if the range is broken, the highs of the day will be tested. So when I saw this candle build up, I had taken an entry here and I had exited also early. So around 90% of the stocks that I had at around these levels, 5,262 levels, I had exited, keeping 10%. Expecting if the prices still go up, I will hold the 10% and add more. But when I saw the prices coming down, I completely exited the remaining 10% at cost. The second trade that I had taken again was that when I saw this candle build up, I had taken an entry somewhere around here. And as the prices were starting to go up, I had booked my profit. Somewhere at these levels, I had booked my profit and exited the stock completely. But there was one final order that I expected. If these highs, 5,300 highs are broken, I expected it to reach 5,309.95, which was 10% for that. So I kept my order somewhere around here. As soon as those prices were taken out at 5,309 levels, I exited the stock completely. I had also updated that if the stock moves above 5,300 levels, it will do 10% and even more. But I expected that the stock will stay at the circuit for some time and then break. But the circuit was opened before that itself and the prices started moving up. I did not trade this again. So the next stock that I had traded was Cipla. So I had updated that the 52-week high of Cipla is 814.50. If that is broken, I will enter the stock because it will create a new 52-week high. So when I saw this candle building up, I had taken an entry around here and there was a gap up. So as soon as there was a gap up, I had booked my profit somewhere at these levels and waited for the stock to consolidate. So the second trade was somewhere around these levels where I expected the prices to break the previous high and go up. So that's what happened. So I had expected this to go to somewhere around 820 and above. So this stock had a circuit at 826.65. But what happened was I had taken an exit at my cost itself. The price did go up, but then when I saw this fall, this was actually because of the fall in Dr. Reddy. So when the Dr. Reddy fall happened, I had completely exited Cipla. Post which there was a huge breakdown in Cipla. Another reason, maybe Nifty also fell exponentially during that period. The other stock that I spoke about yesterday was Saxoft. If 355.10 levels are taken out, there might be a huge upside to this. In the first 5 minutes itself, the levels were taken out and there was a huge upside to this stock. I did not trade this mainly because I was looking at Dr. Reddy. So the next stock also that I had updated was M&M. M&M had a 52-week high at around 556 levels. If that was taken out, I had expected an up move. Yes, after that it did go up. This high created was 559.4. But this stock also I did not trade mainly because I was in a trade in Cipla that time. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. These were the updates and the trades that I took today. Dr. Reddy move was almost more than 14%, which I did not expect to that level. I hope you also got why I exited Cipla, mainly because I saw a fall in Dr. Reddy, which could have affected the prices of Cipla as well. If you haven't subscribed to Mostly Bearish, make sure you do so that you don't miss any updates from my side. Do join the Telegram channel to get live updates from my side. Thank you so much for watching my video.